What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today I'm going to show you how to do a battery change on a Chevy Smart Key. This Smart Key is going to take replacement battery CR2032. The first thing we need to do is remove the emergency key from the bottom. That's done by pressing this button here. That's going to allow the key to slide out. Then we're going to use the key to pry up on the back. On the space where we just took the key out, if we stick just the tip of it in like that and pry up, it's going to allow the back to come off. If you look in the back, we'll see our battery right here. What I like to do is kind of take this key and use the edge of it to get under the edge of the battery. Grab our new battery, and we want to make sure that we're installing that with the plus side down, like that. Snap the back on. Grab our emergency key, slide that back in, and that's it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.